Honorable the Chief Justice of India, Justice N.V. Ramana, Honorable Judges of the Supreme Court, the Solicitor General of India, Sri Tushar Mehta, the Additional Solicitor General, President of the Supreme Court Bar Association, Sri Vikas Singh, and Office Bearers of the SCBA, President of the Supreme Court Advocates and Record Association, Sri Shivaji Jadhav, and other office bearers of the SCORA, the family members of Sri P.N. Nag, Sri Vinod Kumar Singh, Sri Arun B. Saharia, Sri V.N. Ganpule, and Sri S.K. Dolakia, and my colleagues at the bar. We are gathered here today on this somber occasion to pay our respects to five respected members of the legal profession, Sri Vinod Kumar Singh, Sri Arun Acharya, and Sri V.N. Ganpule, Sri S.K. Dolakia, and Sri P.N. Nag. Sri Vinod Kumar Singh was born on the 1st March 1947. After completing his school, the field of science and scientific learning appears to have fascinated him, leading him to obtain a BSc degree from the University of Allahabad. Life, however, had a different plan. It steered him towards a career in the law, and after his BSc degree, he went on to earn his LLB degree, also from the University of Allahabad. He enrolled with the Uttar Pradesh Bar Council in March of 1975 and enthusiastically began legal practice. He began his career at the district court in Gonda in Uttar Pradesh, where he learned the ropes. With the passage of time, he developed a successful law practice of his own. His aptitude and performance as a lawyer did not go unnoticed, and he was soon appointed as Additional Government Counsel Public Prosecutor. He discharged his duties with diligence and industry. Despite building up a successful practice in the district court, he felt the urge to paint on a wider canvas. From the year 1982, he began practice before the Lucknow bench of the Allahabad High Court. His work in the High Court spanned multiple fields of law. He handled both civil and criminal cases, as well as writ petitions. Through meticulous and hard work, he was able to establish himself in the High Court as well. In the year 1995, he came to be appointed as a standing counsel for the state of Uttar Pradesh in the High Court. He held this position till the year 2000. During these years, he represented the interests of the state government and its entities with skill and ability. Apart from the state government, he built up a sizable clientele, which included corporations as well as cooperative banks. Immediately following the events of December 1992, involving the Babri Masjid in Ayodhya, the Government of India had set up a commission of inquiry comprising of Justice M.S. Libarhan, a former Chief Justice on the Andhra Pradesh High Court. The commission was tasked with conducting a comprehensive inquiry into the matter. The proceedings before this commission lasted more than 15 years, and the report of the commission was tabled in Parliament in November 2009. The matter was obviously a sensitive one, and Sri Vinod Kumar Singh had the privilege of representing the state of Uttar Pradesh before the commission in the year 2003. In the year 2004, Sri Singh was appointed as the Additional Advocate General for the state of Uttar Pradesh before the High Court of Lucknow. He held this position till May 2007. It was during this period that, recognizing his standing and capability as an advocate, he was designated as a senior advocate by the High Court in the year 2006. In the same year, disputes arose in relation to the elections to the Bar Association. The writ petition was filed before the High Court in relation to this dispute, and the High Court constituted a committee of 5 senior advocates to help resolve the issues. Sri Vinod Kumar Singh was one amongst these 5 senior advocates. The recommendations made by this committee included a new set of bylaws, which were accepted by the Bar Association and registered. These bylaws continue to govern the Bar Association till date. Sri Singh was not one to remain aloof from the issues affecting the legal fraternity and was an active participant in the affairs of the bar. He was a lifetime member of the Oudh Bar Association, and on one occasion he was elected to serve as vice president. He was also a member of the Supreme Court Bar Association, apart from being a life member of the Indian Law Institute and Bar Association of India. Sri Singh was obviously an inspiration to his children, both of whom have chosen to follow his footsteps and pursue their calling in their legal profession. His son Sri Ashutosh Singh practices before the High Court at Lucknow, and very much like his father, is a standing counsel for the state of Uttar Pradesh. His daughter, Ms. Rashmi Singh, is an advocate on record with an active practice in the Supreme Court. Unfortunately, the scourge of COVID-19 snatched Sri Vinod Kumar Singh from our midst, and he succumbed to the disease on 5th May 2021. Apart from his two children, he is survived by his wife, Srimati Saroj Singh. I offer them and all the members of his family my heartfelt condolences.
Honorable the Chief Justice of India, Honorable Judges of this Court, Learned Attorney General for India, Law Officers of Government of India, members of the family of late Shri Vinod Kumar Singh, late Shri Arun B. Saharia, late Shri V. N. Ganpule, late Shri S. K. Dholakia, and late Shri P. N. Nag, members of the Executive Committee of the SCBA, Shivaji Jadhav, President of SCORA, members and executive members of the SCORA, members of the bar, ladies and gentlemen. Death is inevitable. The goal is not to live forever, but to create something that lives forever. I consider it a sad but a proud privilege that I am allowed to pay my tribute to 5 great gentlemen and legal stalwarts. Mr. Vinod Kumar Singh was born in 1947. He completed his graduation in BSc from the University of Allahabad and further pursued his LLB in 1975. Subsequent to his enrollment in UP Bar Council on 19th March 75, he began to practice in the District Court at Gonda. In 1982, he shifted his practice to Allahabad High Court and joined the chambers of late Shri B.K. Singh. His love for law was not only restricted to the practice of law, but he was equally interested in reading, and few of his favorite authors were Lord Denning, Justice Krishna Iyer, and Edmund Heward. Mr. Singh was the standing counsel for the state of UP and represented the state before the Allahabad High Court Lucknow bench from 1995 to 2000. He also appeared for a number of state corporations before the High Court of Allahabad. He was the representative of the state of UP in the Libran Ayodhya Commission appointed to probe the Babri Masjid demolition. In 2004, he was appointed as the Assistant Advocate General for the state of UP before the High Court of Allahabad and was designated as a senior in 2006. He moved his practice to the Supreme Court in 2007 and represented a wide range of clients in both civil and criminal matters, and within a short span of time made his presence felt in the Supreme Court bar. Mr. Singh was a very friendly human being and always supported his junior colleagues. Once in court, one of the junior members of the bar was getting nervous while arguing a matter. Mr. Singh intervened and helped the junior lawyer, to which the judge replied that since Mr. Singh has himself come to the rescue of the junior, he should be granted the relief he was claiming. He led a simple lifestyle, and despite the success he saw in the profession, he always remained a humble person. This also earned him the nickname of Gandhi between his friends. He was a champion of rights of the underprivileged and was of the view that everybody deserved justice, including the person who could not afford it. Mr. Singh left for his heavenly abode on 5th of May 2021 due to COVID. He is survived by his wife Srimati Saroj Singh, son Shri Ashutosh Singh, who is an advocate at the Allahabad High Court Lucknow bench and is carrying forward his father's legacy, and daughter Rashmi, who is an advocate on record practicing before the Supreme Court.
Brother and sister judges, Sri K. Venugopal, Attorney General of India, Sri Tushar Mehta, Solicitor General of India, Additional Solicitor Generals, Sri Vikas Singh, President, and other office bearers of the members of the Supreme Court Bar Association, Sri Shivaji M. Jadhav, President and office bearers of the and members of the Advocate on Records Association, members of the bar, family members of Sri Vinod Kumar Singh, Sri Arun B. Saharia, Sri V.N. Ganpule, Sri S.K. Dolakia, and Sri P.N. Nag, who are present here and who have joined online. Ladies and gentlemen, we are assembled here this afternoon with a profound sense of grief to pay homage to Sri Vinod Kumar Singh, Sri Arun B. Saharia, Sri V.N. Ganpule, Sri S.K. Dolakia, and Sri P.N. Nag, distinguished members of the legal fraternity who have made substantial contribution in the field of law. Sri Vinod Kumar Singh was born on 1st March 1947. He obtained a degree in science and then in law from Allahabad University. During his college days, he was hugely popular among the students and he used to always come forward to help fellow students. He was also elected as the society secretary of the school. He enrolled in the UP Bar Council on 19th March 1975 and started his practice in District Court Gonda. He has practiced in various courts throughout his tenure at the bar and was appointed as the public prosecutor for a short while. In the year 1982, he shifted to Lucknow with his family. There he joined the chambers of late Sri B.K. Singh, advocate, who was later elevated as a judge of the High Court of Allahabad. Between the years 1995 to 2000, he served as the Standing Counsel of the state of Uttar Pradesh and represented state before the High Court of Allahabad in various important matters. He also represented various corporations before the High Court of Allahabad as their panel lawyer. In 2003, he represented the state of UP before Justice Lebrahan Commission of Inquiry. He had the distinction of serving as the Additional Advocate General of the state of Uttar Pradesh before the Lucknow bench of the High Court of Allahabad during the years 2004 to 2007. In recognition of his ability, dedication, and sincerity as a lawyer, the High Court of Allahabad designated him as a senior advocate in the year 2006. He also appeared before the Supreme Court in various civil and criminal matters. He appeared Vishwanath versus State of UP, wherein the role of democracy in local body was highlighted. He was also a counsel in a case, Dr. Surendra Pandey versus State of Uttar Pradesh. Very early in his life, he got inspired by the Gandhian philosophy of truth, boldness, and struggle. After reading the books authored by him, he was known to be a man of character who always upheld moral values and ethics, and he had a great belief in God. He left heavenly abode on 5th May 2021 and is survived by his wife Sri Saroj Singh, son Sri Astosh Singh, who is an advocate practicing in the High Court of Allahabad and presently representing the state of Uttar Pradesh as the Standing Counsel, and daughter Mr. Rashmi Singh, who is an advocate on record in the Supreme Court of India.
May I have your lordship's permission to conclude the proceedings of the court?